and it works. Say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to do. Period. She don't know how. Guys, let's get this. Anyway, guys, I am sweating. I'm ruining everything. So, what we have coming up is a video of a treatment that I did. I was trying it out. It's called rice water banbani. It grows your hair and it has so many health benefits for your hair, adds protein to your hair. So I hope you like the video and enjoy it. And if you'd like to see more videos from me of hair content, please comment down below and tell me that you'd like to see it. Yeah, I'll do a voiceover on the video. So my mom and my brother are making a lot of noise. I did these amagoda izolo just so my hair is protected, and what I'm gonna do is just spray a little bit. So you saw how the process of how I made this. So I put it in a spray bottle. So I'm just gonna spray along my hairline. I won't detangle for now. I'm just spraying it around. I need a towel. It smells horrible. It smells absolutely horrible, you guys. I don't know how you do this. I don't know why you guys make it look so easy. You just like, oh no, this is not nice. So when your hair is drenched with this, your hairline, everything, leave nothing exposed. Yeah, I can feel it's very wet, hey? So the point is just to wet it like a lot. And then I don't have a shower cap. Well, I can't find it right now. So I'm just gonna deep condition with a plastic. I was gonna use you can even use cling wrap. However, I just chose to use this and it works just the same. So I want to do this and I'm just gonna go sit outside because it's really cold. I'm gonna go, it's really hot, sorry. Instead of using a hair dryer. So I'm gonna put on the timer for 20 minutes. And yeah. Ugh. It's hot, Jesus. And then you cover it up with Okay, so I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes and I'm gonna come back, detangle, spray some more, leave it for another 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair and style it. Basically what you have to do before this is you have to shampoo and condition your hair before you spray the rice water. But I want to deep condition even with the mayonnaise, right? So my hair has moisture and overall, so it doesn't smell bad. So what you should usually like do before you spray this, just wash your hair with shampoo and condition it, and then spray the rice water, and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner again. And you can let it air dry or you blow dry it, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Okay, so the time is up and let's see. Ooh, I'm so sweaty. Forgive me guys, yo. I just woke up and thought I should make this video. I was just gonna decondition my hair and go to an maybe I'll do a vlog. But I thought, yeah, let me just do this quick video. So you just detangle your hair like so. Guys, Bengi, look at me. And it was so, but this is just it's like, hey, bro. I'm always complaining what's about to have a hard hand when they are doing my hair, braiding my hair. But I am my worst enemy. So just braid, and tangle.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a European skin. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. I
know. Other stuff. Okay, when you are done, let's leave it for another 10 minutes. And then you wash your hair with shampoo and then you condition it. And then style it. I don't know if you're gonna see me after this. I'm just gonna put it on for 10 minutes, wash my hair, wash it with conditioner. All the conditioner is here. It's the conditioner that I'm using. Moisture rich with vitamin E, luxurious moisture for dry hair conditioner, because I have a really dry scalp. So and it literally, this conditioner locks in moisture the whole day. So this is the conditioner that I use. I can't find this shampoo. I think it's in the bathroom. But when I come back, I would have to come back for the blow drying, etc. So here's to hair growth. Here's to hair growth. Here's to hair growth. Hey, to hair growth. My name is Maddie. Yeah, I want my hair to grow here until it's tickling my ass crack like Cardi. Yeah. I'm joking, guys, but yeah. Here's to hair growth. Here's to hair growth. Hello, guys. Okay, I washed my hair. It's looking a little bit crazy, right? Guys, I believe in this more than I believe in my relationship. Probably because I don't have a relationship, but even if I had one, I would believe in this more than a relationship. It makes your hair so soft, you guys. Like, I could tell that after I used the shampoo, the rice water made my hair really dry. So I could tell with Haibo, it's really dry. And when I use this and I left it in for like 2 minutes, it did wonders, like wonders. So I'm gonna let you in on a little hack. I usually mix this MPL and castor oil together, and then I just base my scalp with it, and then I, see, just a little bit, not too much. I just use it to like moisturize my hair, make sure that it's thick, make sure that it's soft and moisturized and it's not dry, because I have a dry scalp. I think I'll need to change this, what I'm wearing, because wow. Okay, ooh, shit, I messed it up. So, yebo. Per. Okay, cool. So after you've mixed it, just a little small nyana. Just base your scalp with it. So when you're hair drying, when you blow drying, is it blow drying or hair drying? You're a fan of it. So blessed be Lord, hallelujah.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Sign up for the hall of shame. I wish I
relieves itchy scalp, stops dandruff and hair breakage. My hair breaks a lot, like so I have to make sure my hair is so soft right now, like it's no longer as hard as it used to be. And I'll put you on mayonnaise treatments, like it's literally amazing. Anyway, I'll come back when I'm done. All I need to do now is just like blow dry my hair. And which was really crazy because I used to have like crazy ass hair back in the day. But I've taken such good care of my hair. I used to go do my treatments and Mizani. 400 rand. I get oils, everything. So I'm taking really good care of my hair. And it really shows in the thickness and so strong, so black. I love it because it used to be so brown because I used to burn it so much with relaxers, but now it's literally amazing. So what's in Tati go dagging? So we see go dalang 20 la. I'm so excited. I need someone to tell me to let this go go. Because I can't really afford, well I can, but I don't want to buy too many hair stuff right now because if I'm being honest, I got scammed by Hair Trader and I got scammed by Hair Kingdom. So I don't know who to trust right now with my hair because I got hair for 6K at Hair Trader, and apparently when you buy stuff online, they give you isn't it correct, but like I was scammed. I don't like how this is. Maybe I just won't put a goda. I have my own natural goda, so I'll just tie my hair up and call it a day. So per. Okay. have it, guys. It's so cute. Like, my pondo is so cute. I'm sweating so much and I gotta go somewhere, so I'll catch you next time. But basically, the rice water, I feel like it's gonna be amazing for my hair. To just, I'll write down the benefits on the side in the beginning or something, but I really like it. I really like it. I really like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like more videos like these, please tell me yes, 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 and definitely I'll do more.